Welcome, friends. So yesterday we talked on management funda, that what is the mean of leadership skill and how we can develop. So we talked about how the influence building it is. Don't become authority, just become an influencer. Then we also understand about how the decision making process goes on, and then we goes on the change management. So all these three tricks we learned yesterday, and the next hack of this leadership skill, it is strategic thinking skills. So what the mean of strategic thinking skills? इसका मतलब होता है you should think in a strategy कि आपने क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. It should be a design pattern. ये नहीं कि आज कुछ कर रहे हैं कल कुछ कर रहे हैं. तो it should be on a strategy, that should be a design pattern. So in order to decide any strategic thinking, it's required that some kind of steps is required. So first step is where are you, just analyze it. So analyzing your situation, there are some kind of techniques, we just call it, you need to analyze the data information what you have. So we call it like SWOT analysis is there, and customer segmentation or pestle analysis or value chain analysis, understanding game theory. All these big names and big techniques are there, which will I in my next episode or the next video I will tell you about it also. So we will get all the information what these are there, what are the mean of the SWOT analysis, what's the grow technique, and all these techniques you will develop. You will get the analysis of it, you will get the understanding of it, how they work and why it is very critical in strategic thinking. So I will discuss in next my videos. So first thing is where you are now, you have to understand. Next is important step in strategical thinking is identify the ideal future, where you want to go and on what time you want to go. It should be a particular point that from A to B, this kind of journey I have to run. So from A to B I require this much of time, this kind of the path will be there. तो you just have the clarity कि आप यहाँ से शुरू करके यहाँ जाओगे तो how it will work. So then the third step is comes कि जो हम ये strategy plan कर रहे हैं is, और जो हम ये technique बात कर रहे हैं A to B जाने की, is really required or not. Because sometimes क्या होता है कि we just take some actions and we don't know that it's really required or not, because it takes lots of efforts, lots of energy goes, lots of money is also goes, and time is also goes for that particular thing which you want to execute. But जागे पता चलता है कि यार this kind of thing which we have done, this kind of work is not required, it's not necessary. So under the strategical skills, it's very important that you just reanalyze that whether it required or not. Fourth important thing is work out on intermediate milestone, कि आने वाले कुछ टाइम बाद हम जो प्लान कर रहे हैं, because strategies we just looking for the future goals, long term goals around 5 years 10 years, we just plan in that way. So हमें ये भी देखना चाहिए कि under this what could be the intermediate milestone, हमारे 1.5 साल बाद या 1 साल बाद या 2 साल बाद हम कहाँ तक पहुँचेंगे. So we just, क्योंकि प्रोसेस हमारा सही है कि नहीं है, स्ट्रेटेजिकल थिंकिंग हम जो रख रहे हैं या फ्यूचर गोल जो हम डिसाइड कर रहे हैं, इट्स रियली गोइंग इन द राइट पाथ. सो यू नीड टू रीचेक ऑल्सो. तो जस्ट मेक अ इंटरमीडिएट goal. Last is work on the actions. So whatever you have planned, all this data analysis you have done, you have SWOT analysis, all these information which you have gathered, you have done all the analysis on that. So now you have to check that whether this, now you have to come on the action mode. तो आपको देखना होगा कि ये जो हमने डिसीजन लिया है, ये जो हमने नई स्ट्रेटेजी डेवलप की है to lead your team or to come out the situations, whether it's working or not. तो ये कुछ टेक्निक्स हैं जो कि लीडरशिप स्किल्स में आती हैं. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ स्ट्रेटेजिकल स्किल्स. सो एक लीडरशिप का एक एग्जांपल था, मैंने आज ही एक यूट्यूब में देखा, तो आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर विथ यू. देयर इज़ 2 kind of people are there. Let again bring our Ram and Shyam, which is very well known to all of us. So Ram is just take example that he is a leader who is behaving like a boss. So वो क्या करता है कि they just gone for the some task, वो किसी टास्क में जाते हैं and they just required कि उन्हें पानी की ज़रूरत होती है, तो उस टास्क में उनकी टीम और उसको पानी की प्यास लगती है, दे जस्ट रिक्वायर्ड सम वाटर. सो one of the guy who just take help of the local guys and he bring some water, and that Ram has drink first all the water which the guy has brought up, whereas जो दूसरा ग्रुप था, where the Sham group, तो Sham के भी same they required water, but Sham what he did, Sham whatever the water they have brought all his colleagues, first he offers to all them, because leader always offers to their teammates, he take care of their teammates, then after the whatever the water remain then he drinks. So all their teammates they first उन्होंने कहा कि सर पहले आप ले लो, but he told नहीं, I don't want, first you go because you are my team, after whatever the remain just give me some portion of it, so I will also take. So ये एक difference होता है how the boss behave, जो हमारे जो लोग होते हैं जो कि आपको पुश करते हैं कि यार मेरे को ये चाहिए, और हाउ द लीडर बिहेव, लीडर आपको टीम में काम करता है, टीम का पार्ट होकर काम करता है, वेयर इज़ द बॉस और जो सम जो ऑर्डर देते हैं, जो इस टाइप के लोग होते हैं जो ऑर्डर में बिहेव करते हैं, वो आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको एक कुछ ना कुछ बोलेंगे या कुछ करने को बोलेंगे, बट उसका पार्ट नहीं होते आपकी जर्नी का. सो ऑलवेज बी, इफ़ अगर आप एक अच्छा लीडर बनना चाहते हैं, एक अच्छा मेंटर बनना चाहते हैं, तो बी अ पार्ट ऑफ योर टीम. और स्ट्रेटेजिकल थिंकिंग इज़ द वन ऑफ द कोर कंपोनेंट कि आप कैसे स्ट्रेटेजिकल थिंकिंग कर सकते हैं. आई टोल्ड यू, एंड इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप ऑल्सो आई विल टोल ऑन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. सो होप यू लाइक द कंटेंट. इफ यू लाइक, रियली शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल ऑल्सो. थैंक यू वेरी मच.